The container handling capacity of the port of Mombasa is expected to be enhanced after the arrival of 2 new rail-mounted gantry cranes from China at a cost of 355 million shillings. The Kenya Ports Authority head of Container Terminal Engineering, Julius Tai, says the cranes will speed up the offloading of cargo and its transportation from the port using the standard gauge railway facility to the inland container depot in Nairobi. The cranes are part of 6 similar pieces of equipment ordered by KPA in December 2016 at a cost of 2.12 billion shillings. The other 4 will be shipped into the country by the end of July. The 2 cranes are 40 meters wide, while the rest have a span of 35 meters with no outreach and are for loading of cargo onto the freight trains for transportation to Nairobi.
With the 2 RMGs that we are receiving now, we expect the operations at the SGR at the RMG area to improve. And we are, as I said earlier, that the 2 cranes will handle both the SGR and the MGR. We now have, currently we have 3 lines for MGR and 2 lines for SGR.